Have you ever wondered how you can harness the power of rainwater to create a sustainable garden? The answer lies in the ingenious concept of rain gardens. These are purposefully designed landscapes that capture, channel, and ultimately use rainwater, reducing our reliance on other water sources. Creating a rain garden is an eco-friendly way to keep your plants hydrated, while also contributing to the preservation of our precious water resources. Now, you might be thinking, how can I create my own rain garden? Creating a rain garden might seem complex, but it's actually a straightforward process. It all begins with selecting the right location. Look for a natural depression in your yard, preferably at least 10 feet away from your home, to avoid any potential water damage. Next, it's time to choose the plants. Native plants are often the best choice because they're adapted to local rainfall patterns and soil types. They also provide habitat for local wildlife. Try to select a mix of deep-rooted perennials, grasses, and shrubs. Now, let's dig into the soil. The depth of your garden should be about 6 to 8 inches. Add compost to enrich the soil and encourage plant growth. After planting, add a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch to help retain moisture and keep weeds at bay. Finally, maintenance is key. Regularly check your garden after heavy rains to ensure it's draining properly and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it, a beautiful and sustainable rain garden right in your backyard. But creating a rain garden does more than just beautify your space. It nurtures local ecosystems, providing refuge for diverse species. And it's a champion of water conservation, reducing runoff and recharging groundwater. Your rain garden is not just a garden, it's a step towards a more sustainable world. Now that you know how to create a rain garden, it's your turn to make a difference. Embrace the power of sustainable watering and craft your own oasis. Together, we can turn the tide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.